and then we'll come around.
Addison, tell Papa what we're doing.
We did the jack-o'-lantern.
We're cutting out the jack-o'-lantern, huh?
Did you cut the eyeballs, Mama?
I cut. Yeah. Here's the eyeball. Here's the nose. Here's the nose. There's the eyeball.
Nose.
Yeah, and we made a really difficult mouth, but that's okay. Next time, triangles for everything, huh? So this is going to be your third Halloween, right, Papa?
Yes.
Third Halloween. First Halloween, Addie, you were a mermaid,
Mama.
and Connor was a penguin. And then last year, you were a kitty, and Connor was
Robin.
Robin. And this year, Connor, tell Papa what you're going to be for Halloween.
I'm going to be a rabbit.
No. What are you going to be? You're going to be a ladybug.
Ladybug.
Connor,
What
what are you going to be?
are you gonna be? Are you gonna be a dragon?
I want to see. I want to see it.
How do people make all these
Okay.
intricate designs and faces on here?
You see Mama and Eddie?
See it, Mama.
Is it fun, Eddie? Is it fun? Wow. This mouth is...
Looks.
Next time we'll just make a little triangle mouth, huh? Oh boy, it's almost ready. You ready? Okay, Papa, come over here.
I say dreams.
Here comes.
Alright, sweet dreams, Connor.
Okay, hold on, Eddie. This is some serious work. Ready?
I want the dreams.
Yeah! Uh-oh, he lost a tooth.
It's alright. Gives him character.
Yes. That is a funny face. Look it! Connor, look at. He's a hockey player, Pumpkin.
Should draw an abs thing on him.
Happy Halloween!
Say Happy Halloween.
There's a slide.
Okay, now we have to put the tap on. Connor, do you want to put the tap on?
No.
No.
Yuck.
Well, we're going to cook the seeds and then they'll be yummy, okay? What are you doing, Eddie? What are we making?
The jack-o'-lantern.
Oh, we are. What kind of face are we going to make?
A funny face.
A funny face.
We know, like,
A funny face.
we
Oh,
make a jack-o'-lantern color. We make the other CC.
Connor, can you pull yourself away from hockey for a minute to help us? Wow, that was impressive.
He's basically saying you have 60 seconds.
I need a chair.
You do need a chair. There's a chair right over here, Boo. Over by the table. Look, on the other side, you can go stand over here. See? Over here.
Look,
Here comes Connor to help. Hi, baby. Come stand right here on this chair. Do you see what we're doing? Here comes Connor. Hi, baby.
Come on.
Do you want to help?
No,
Connor, what are you doing?
I'm doing the garden pieces.
Are you doing the jack-o'-lantern?
No, my jack-o'-lantern.
No, the jack-o'-lantern belongs to all of us. Okay, maybe you can be a helper, Addie, and show Connor how to get the seeds out.
Do
Connor,
you need the seeds out? Do you need some more seeds out?
do you see any more seeds in there, Connor?
Some more apps. There's another seed out.
You can reach in and get them if you want.
Oh,
What happened?
happened? I need to see.
Don't eat them yet, though. We're going to cook them, okay? Connor, say Happy Halloween.
Uh-oh. Go abs.
Go abs. Connor, say Happy Halloween.
Happy to read.
Happy Halloween.